Imagine this. You just created an incredible video with Meta AI. The visuals look amazing. The motion is smooth, and you're excited to share it with the world. But then you notice something, a watermark on the video. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal. But when you're preparing the video for YouTube, social media, or a presentation, that watermark suddenly becomes a problem. So you start searching for a way to remove it. And that's when things get confusing. Some websites promise instant results. Some tools reduce the video quality, and others might not even be legal to use. But what if there was a proper way to handle this? In today's video, I'll show you the legal and safe methods you can use regarding Meta AI video watermarks, so you can avoid risky shortcuts and make the right choice for your content. Let's dive in. First, let me show you the video I created. As you can see, I have created a two-dimensional cartoon video, but the problem is that it contains a watermark. To remove it, open a new tab and search for Manus AI. Then open the first website. From here, continue with your Google account. This site also comes from Meta. Now go to the Meta AI tab and click on the share icon in the corner. After that, copy the video link. Next, go back to the Manus AI website. Paste the link here and put it inside double quotation marks. Then type "remove watermark from this video" and press enter. That's it. Now wait for a few seconds. After a few moments, you will get the same video without the watermark. Click on the video, then click on the download icon. That's it, friends. This is how you can remove a watermark legally. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.